What if I told you there's a motorcycle out there that acts like a secret weapon? A bike that's tough enough to handle the daily grind of work, but stylish and fun enough to rip through canyons on the weekend. No, it's not a fantasy. It's the Benelli VLM 200. And in my book, it's the absolute king of its class. Today, we're tearing down this machine, exploring every single detail, and finding out if it's the one bike that can truly do it all. And yes, we're talking price at the end. Let's get into it. First up, the heart of the beast. This isn't some fragile, high-strung motor. The VLM 200 is powered by a robust 200cc overhead cam engine. It's air-cooled with an oil cooler to keep it cool when you're pushing it. We're looking at a solid 16 horsepower. Now, here's the thing about this engine. It's built to take a beating. It's reliable, but it's not rough. The sound is surprisingly pleasant, smooth, with zero of those annoying vibrations you feel in other bikes in this class. And for those of you watching your wallet, you're going to love this. This engine is incredibly fuel efficient. We're talking a real-world average of 28 to 30 kilometers per liter. That's roughly 65 to 70 miles per gallon. This thing is not just fun, it's economical. Up front, you've got a sturdy fiber cowl for a bit of extra protection, but the real story is under the hood, or, well, under the tank. Let's talk about the suspension, because this is where the VLM 200 punches way above its weight class. Up front, it's rocking an upside-down, or USD, front fork. In the motorcycle world, USD forks are usually reserved for high-performance machines. They're stiffer, offer better feedback, and handle abuse like a champ. If you accidentally bang into a pothole, and we all do, this fork is incredibly tough. It's not going to bend or give out on you. It provides insane stability and a planted feel, whether you're smoothing out speed bumps or carving through corners. You can see the front fender has that sleek, glossy black finish. The wheels? Up front, we have a 190/17 tire mounted on a 2.15 by 17-inch rim. The tire pattern is nice and smooth, good for all-around grip. Out back, it's a 130/70-17 on a wider 3.50 by 17 rim. That rear tire is noticeably chunkier, giving you that extra contact patch for stability and preventing those scary slides. It makes the bike feel planted and secure. Now, let's be real for a second. If there's one area where the VLM 200 is, let's say, a little retro, it's the front end. The rest of the bike is modern and aggressive, but the front end feels like it could use a slight design update. It's a minor gripe on an otherwise perfect package. It runs on dual halogen bulbs up front, and the turn signals are halogen as well. No fancy LEDs here, but it works. Moving to something that is absolutely top tier, the brakes. The Benelli VLM 200 comes equipped with a hydraulic braking system with a combi link by Bybre on both the front and rear. Look at the size of that front disc. It's massive, giving you incredible stopping power. The front brake caliper is a 4-piston setup, 2 pistons on each side clamping down on that big rotor. This means the front brake is exceptionally strong and responsive, giving you tons of confidence. The rear brake, also a Bybre hydraulic disc, is there to back it up. The brake master cylinder up front is solid, and you even have an adjuster right there on the lever to fine-tune the feel to your exact preference. This is where the Joker bike really shows its hand. It's built for real life. On the side, you've got a standard chain guard to keep your pants clean and out of the mechanism. It comes stock with passenger grab rails. These are made of fiber and are ready to accept a top case or cargo rack. The aftermarket for this bike is huge, so if you want a metal rack, you can find one easily. Now, hop on with me. Let's talk about the seat. It's wide, it's plush, and it's slightly stepped, pushing you back into a comfortable, commanding position. This seat is massive. With the stock seat, you and a passenger are riding in luxury. If you wanted to, you could probably squeeze 3 people on this thing. That's how wide it is. The riding triangle is incredibly practical for short hops and long hauls. I'm about average height, and my feet are flat on the ground with zero issues. I'm not cramped, I'm not stretched out. The ergonomics are perfect for riders from about 5'7" to 6'2". Your legs tuck in slightly right against the tank, making it feel natural and secure. The fiber work under the seat is clean. With that plush, wide seat and the incredible front and rear suspension setup, this bike is a dream for anyone doing delivery work, commuting, or just spending long days in the saddle. It soaks up bumps for breakfast. Whether you're carrying a passenger or a backpack full of groceries, the gas-charged rear shocks handle the weight without bottoming out. Now, let's look at the cockpit. It's got a clean, classic analog gauge cluster, speedo, tach, neutral light, high beam, turn signals. Simple and easy to read. The switchgear feels solid and has a quality click to it. You've got your kill switch, light switch, electric start, and this is a huge plus, a factory-installed hazard light switch. That's a safety feature a lot of bikes skip. The grips are classic but look sleek and feel good in the hand. And check this out, a stock USB charging port, right there on the handlebar. No more buying expensive aftermarket chargers or running out of battery on a long ride. It's already there, ready to go. You also have your manual choke lever right there on the bar for those cold morning starts. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the price. Keep in mind, like all good things in high demand, the price can fluctuate. But as of this video, the Benelli VLM 200 comes in right around $1,500 to $1,700 US. For a new motorcycle with that kind of build quality, suspension, and features, that's an incredible value. And for those of you worried about parts and support, don't be. The parts network is strong, availability is excellent, and the parts themselves are affordable and durable. This bike has proven itself on the streets and roads. It's reliable, it's dependable. Is it perfect? No bike is. The halogen lights are a bit old school, and if you're a speed demon chasing 100 miles per hour, this isn't your bike. Its top speed is around 75 miles per hour, or 120 kilometers, which is perfectly adequate and stable for its weight and class. But as an all-arounder, as the joker that can do everything from work to weekends, the Benelli VLM 200, in my opinion, is one of the best, most reliable, and most capable motorcycles you can buy for the money. It's a machine that has truly proven itself. If you're in the market for a bike that just works for everything you need to see this one. The Benelli VLM 200 is available now. Check the links in the description for more info and colors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on